A personalized keto plan that works. Guaranteed. Take our keto quiz to configure your own personalized keto meal plan. The easiest way to start keto can be confusing for beginners. We tell you exactly what to do. Created by keto experts. Don't worry about counting calories or carbs, or which foods stop ketosis. We calculate everything for you and show exactly what you need to eat. Trusted by over 150,000 Ketoers, we've created plans for over 150,000 clients of all shapes and sizes. We've seen it all, we know what works and what doesn't. Our team will build you a step-by-step plan to ensure you get into ketosis quickly and safely. This quiz shows how to start. This quick 2-minute quiz shows exactly what you need to start keto. Take the quiz and get your own personalized plan. A foolproof, done-for-you plan. Starting is the hardest part. We make keto easy and sustainable. Here's what's included. Get everything you need to be successful with the keto diet. Grocery list. Save time at the store with our printer-friendly grocery list. Just print it off, or view it on your phone, and head out the door. We tell you exactly what ingredients to purchase. Keto nutrition analysis. How many carbs, fats and protein is enough? Is it net carbs or total carbs? We remove all the confusion and tell you exactly what your body needs. Personalized for your tastes. No diet is sustainable when you're eating things that you absolutely hate. That's why we ask you what foods you don't want, and customize your plan exactly for your tastes. Easy recipes. You don't need to be a professional chef to prepare the recipes we give you. Fast, simple and delicious, all our recipes are easy to prepare. Simple ingredients. You don't have to go to any specialty stores to get the ingredients. Continue shopping at your normal stores, with all items available at a typical grocery store. Lifetime access. You have full and complete access to the plan we make for you, forever. Take the quiz. Our quick 2-minute quiz is the first step to starting keto. Personalize your plan with your likes and dislikes. We'll show you exactly what you need to eat. Take the keto quiz.